Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to AutoMind. Now, gas prices. They're kind of a big deal, right? It's something we all think about when shopping for a new car. But you know what? It doesn't have to be a constant source of stress. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of fuel efficiency to bring you the top cars of 2025 that'll help you save big time at the pump. We're talking hybrids, plug-in hybrids, and even some seriously impressive gasoline-powered models that sip fuel like it's going out of style. We're breaking down all the specs, the features, and what makes each of these cars stand out from the crowd. So whether you're looking for a zippy city car or something to get you across the country without emptying your wallet, we've got you covered. Alright, let's kick things off with a name synonymous with fuel efficiency, the Toyota Prius Prime. I mean, is anyone really surprised to see the Prius on this list? This isn't just your average hybrid though. The Prius Prime takes things up a notch with its plug-in capabilities. That means you can charge it up at home and enjoy a good chunk of all-electric driving, perfect for those daily commutes or errands around town. But here's the cool part. Even when the electric range runs out, that super efficient gasoline engine kicks in, so you've got the best of both worlds. And you know what else? The Prius Prime doesn't sacrifice on space or features. It's surprisingly roomy inside, especially for a car that's so focused on saving you fuel. You've got plenty of cargo space, comfortable seating, and all the tech you could ask for. Plus, Toyota's known for its reliability, so you can bet this car is built to last. Next up, we've got another contender in the plug-in hybrid arena, the Honda Clarity plug-in hybrid. Now this car isn't messing around when it comes to fuel efficiency. It boasts a powerful electric motor paired with a super efficient gasoline engine, giving you that extra boost of power when you need it. But here's the kicker. The Clarity can go a seriously impressive distance on electric power alone, making it a fantastic option for those who want to minimize their environmental impact without sacrificing range. And let's talk about the interior for a second. The Clarity's cabin is surprisingly spacious and well appointed, with comfortable seating for five and a generous amount of cargo space. Plus, Honda didn't skimp on the tech features either. You've got a user-friendly infotainment system, advanced safety features, and all the bells and whistles you'd expect in a modern car. Now, what if you're not quite ready to make the jump to a hybrid or electric car? Well, don't worry, we've got you covered. The Hyundai Elantra is here to prove that you can still get exceptional fuel economy without sacrificing style or performance. This car has been turning heads with its sleek design and impressive fuel efficiency numbers. Under the hood, you'll find a range of fuel-efficient engine options, all designed to squeeze every last mile out of a gallon of gas. And here's something I really appreciate. Hyundai didn't just focus on fuel economy. They also made sure the Elantra is fun to drive with responsive handling and a comfortable ride. Plus, you get a ton of value for your money with the Elantra. It comes loaded with standard features, including a user-friendly infotainment system, advanced safety tech, and even heated seats in some trims. All right, let's talk about a true icon in the automotive world, the Toyota Corolla. I mean, this car has been around forever for a reason. It's known for its bulletproof reliability, and now it's stepping up its fuel efficiency game too. Toyota has really upped the ante with the latest Corolla incorporating fuel-saving technology that'll have you smiling every time you pass a gas station. But here's the thing about the Corolla, it's not just about fuel efficiency, it's also incredibly practical and comfortable. You've got ample space for passengers and cargo, a smooth and quiet ride, and all the essential features you need for a comfortable commute or a weekend road trip. Plus, Toyota's commitment to safety is evident in the Corolla, with a suite of advanced safety features that come standard, giving you peace of mind on the road. Last but not least, we've got the Mazda 3, a car that proves fuel efficiency doesn't have to come at the expense of driving enjoyment. Mazda has always been known for building cars that are fun to drive, and the Mazda 3 is no exception. But what's really impressive is how they've managed to combine that sporty handling with such impressive fuel economy. A big part of that is Mazda's innovative SkyActiv technology, which focuses on maximizing efficiency in every aspect of the car, from the engine and transmission to the body design. But here's the thing. The Mazda 3 doesn't just drive well, it also looks great. It's got a sleek, sophisticated design that sets it apart from the crowd. And the interior is just as impressive, with high-quality materials, a driver-focused layout, and a premium feel that punches above its weight class. So there you have it, folks. Those are our top picks for the most fuel-efficient cars of 2025. From hybrids and plug-in hybrids to some seriously impressive gasoline-powered options, there's a car on this list for every type of driver and budget. No matter which one you choose, you can be sure you're getting a vehicle that's not only easy on the wallet, but also great for the environment. Thanks for joining me on this fuel-efficient adventure, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. We've got a lot more automotive goodness coming your way. Until next time, drive safe and keep on saving that gas.